Yeah, Limba people, welcome back to my channel. Aztlan, our language, bias, forest, and history 101. Aztlan, Iwan Chico Mostok, and the Seven Caves. As we can see in the back here, as there's 7 nations, and one of the biggest nations was the Aztecat. So, according to the wise man, this land was already getting overpopulated, polluted. Things were dying out, so we had to migrate to a different area, and that was led by Mechi, which is the Boshili, which was the wise man. And then they sent a warrior out in search of those lands. And then we migrated from Aztlan to now Mexico Tenochtitlan. Stay tuned for part 2.